the Rima Barry.
What perfume are you wearing today?
Today I'm wearing the Kayali Vanilla
Okay,
Oud.
And what phone are you carrying?
Carrying my Samsung Galaxy Flip 4.
Flip phone, not the latest one.
No, Flip 5, no.
It's 6.
No!
You will get cancelled.
No.
Okay, what's the most expensive part about your fit?
Honestly, I think the top is actually for 8.5k. And
Not the
polite
phone.
society.
Not the phone.
Not
Moving on.
That's not part of my outfit.
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking a cold brew from Bougie.
Okay, nothing alcoholic today?
No, I don't drink.
You don't drink?
No.
Oh my God, good girl.
Good girl.
Okay, so now you have to pick a number between 1 to 20
Okay.
and I'll ask you a question.
Okay. 12.
Who do you think is more fashionable? Bollywood stars or Instagram influencers like you?
Oh, I think in terms of access, Bollywood stars are more fashionable.
But
the
in
sense
terms
that,
of taste?
I don't know. I think both of us. Both of us.
If I give you all the money in the world, would you dress better than a Bollywood star?
Sure. Why not?
Are you
I
sure?
think, yeah, why not?
I'm here with.
Never.
What's the fragrance for the evening?
I'm wearing Dries Van Noten,
Okay.
but I forgot the name of the scent.
They are not available in India, I'm
Yeah.
sure. And what's the most expensive part about your fit?
Actually, it's my perfume.
It's the perfume.
Yeah.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. And what are you drinking tonight?
I'm drinking Monkey 47.
Okay, now you just have to pick a number between 1 to 20 and I'll ask you a question.
17.
Do you believe in dressing to impress or dressing for comfort?
To impress people with my comfort dressing, but it
So
never works.
this is a comfortable fit or to
I
impress?
think so. This is a comfortable fit.
Okay.
It's from H&M, so
This is H&M.
yeah. So
Looks
yeah,
expensive.
I know.
Yeah. You have dressed it well.
Thank you.
And just one more question. Who
Yeah.
is the best smelling person you have met here?
Moses Call.
Moses, he's a
He's not here today, but yeah.
he's a customer.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
He shops from us,
Yeah,
Perfume
yeah.
Network.
Yeah,
Yeah. He has shopped quite a lot. I'm here with.
Hiral.
What's the fragrance that you're wearing today?
I think I'm wearing Burberry Goddess. I think they're selling it here also.
Yeah. They
I
did
love
a
it.
launch
Yeah.
here.
Yeah,
Yeah. And what's the most expensive part about your fit?
My shoes, I got them from Balenciagas, yes.
Yeah.
I got them from UK.
Okay.
Yeah.
They look good.
Chunky ones, yeah.
They look good. And what are you going to be drinking tonight after the event?
Probably a beer, nice chilled beer.
A nice chill beer, nothing
Yeah.
special.
No, I love beers and wines.
You have to pick a number between 1 to 20 and I'm going to ask you a question.
Okay, 5.
Who has the better style, South Bombay or Bandra?
Bandra.
Bandra.
Bandra for sure, yeah. I'm not from Bandra, but I know we have a store in South Bombay.
Yeah.
And one store in Bandra, and Bandra people kill it, yeah.
Bandra people are the best.
Yeah,
Okay.
I agree.
And if I have to ask North or Bombay then?
North or Bombay?
Yeah.
I haven't been to North, but I
You
love
haven't
the
been to
layering
Chandigarh?
part. Yeah, I haven't been there.
Yeah.
But I love how they can layer and we can't layer it
Yeah.
here in Bombay. But yeah, I'm a Bombay girl, so I'm gonna say Bombay.
I'm here with.
Silken Rush.
Okay, what perfume are you wearing today?
Starts with F. I forgot the name. The bottle with the whatever. It's a good perfume though.
It's a good perfume.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And what's the most expensive part about your fit?
Could be the shoes, I guess.
The Comet shoes.
Yeah, Comet ones. Yeah, I guess
Okay.
so. Yeah, this is a very indie brand. They don't sell it at a very high cost.
Yeah.
The shirt and the pants.
Okay.
So the Comet shoes, 4K, 5K would be the costliest one.
Makes sense. And what are you drinking today?
Water.
You're eating grapes now?
Water, and I'm eating grapes. Yes.
Yeah. What are you
Actually, I
drinking?
had quite a bit of alcohol right now, so now I don't want to have it. Yeah.
You are done with it for
I
today?
had Monkey 47. Okay, if you want a brand, Monkey 47.
Makes sense. Okay.
I know it's here for the brand.
So just pick a number between 1 to 20 and I'm gonna ask you questions.
17.
Do you believe in dressing to impress
Huh?
or do you believe in dressing to impress or dressing for comfort?
Depends on the situation, to be honest.
Right now you're dressed for comfort to
For the comfort. This
No.
is a comfort one, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, there are situations where I dress to impress as well. And
Huh.
that's where you suck the most. So better to be actually catering yourself. I
Makes
feel.
sense.
Yeah.
So have you dressed up on a date for someone?
Yeah, 110%, always. Like for the date, for a date that you ask somebody to go on a date
Come out
with you,
with you.
yeah. So that would be like, you are like viewing yourself from their lens. That's why you try to
Yeah, yeah.
mold yourself a lot. So well, I've dressed up for them.
I'm here with.
Sonal Agrawal.
What perfume are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a Tom Ford
Private
ombre
brand.
leather.
Ombre leather.
Yeah.
So you're sharing
It's
a
actually my boyfriend's, but
Makes sense
yeah.
because it's a men's fragrance.
Yeah.
Okay, and what's the most expensive part about your fit today?
Me,
Yourself.
of course.
Makes sense. And what are you gonna be drinking tonight?
We're headed for the Sundowner at the Shivers Lounge.
Okay.
So I guess whiskey.
Now you have to pick a number between 1 to 20, and I'm gonna ask you a question. Okay, just pick a number.
3.
Do you think influencers actually dictate fashion trends, or is it all marketing?
Well, I am an influencer, so
Okay.
I would say that yes, influencers actually do. I wouldn't say dictate, but they do play a very vital role in popularizing and making fashion trends very accessible and acceptable.
So what's your fashion icon? Who's the fashion icon?
There are so many, but I really admire the way Sonam Kapoor dresses. I think she's very, very experimental with her clothing and at the same time very classy.
You're also wearing something different, not like a dress or something basic.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
since I'm here for a sundowner, I decided to wear like a more flowy.
Yeah.
So just wanted to add like a bit of statement pieces to my outfit.
Okay. I'm here with.
Unnati, hello.
What perfume are you wearing today?
I'm wearing the Tom Ford Ombre leather.
And what perfume does your man wear, Mr. MNB?
Oh,
Yeah.
he has so many of them. I don't really. Aqua di Parma.
Aqua di Gio Parfum.
Parfum. I don't know how it's pronounced, but yes.
And what's the most expensive part about your fit today?
Oh, the sweatshirt that I'm wearing.
It's Kenzo.
Yes.
Looks good.
Thank you.
And what are you gonna be drinking tonight?
No.
Nothing.
No, just
No
Coke
alcohol.
Zero.
You have to pick a number between 1 to 20.
Okay, 4.
Sneakers or heels?
Sneakers.
Sneakers.
I'm wearing boots right now, but I definitely prefer sneakers over.
Proper sneaker girly.
Yeah.
I've seen your collection. It's a good
Yes.
collection. I'm here with.
Jay from Jaywalking. What's up? How are you doing, guys?
You have disappeared from the internet for quite some time now.
I have. I've become a sannyasi.
What perfume you're wearing today?
I'm wearing the Jaywalking Body Ink. It's a new perfume that we recently launched. Absolutely love it. I made it exactly how I liked it. Very
We love the
Jaywalking.
design of it. Who designed that?
Me. Who
Makes
else?
sense, yeah. Okay, and what's the most expensive part about your fit?
My hair.
You got a hair transplant.
I did.
When?
1 year ago in February.
Is that the reason why it disappeared?
No, I'm not that. Bro, I put up a story of that I did it and my procedure, my
Have you vlogged it?
process. No,
Why not?
I'm not a YouTuber.
Bro, I'm losing hair. So
Do it.
I'll need
Fucking
that.
go for it. Go for it. Don't wait. Yeah.
What are you drinking tonight?
I'm not drinking. I don't drink. I stopped
Given up?
drinking. Yeah.
When?
I stopped drinking couple of months back.
You just have to pick a number between 1 to 20 and ask a question.
1 to 20.
Yeah.
17.
Do you believe in dressing to impress or dressing for comfort?
I believe in dressing for comfort because if you're comfortable, then you can impress anybody. But if you're not comfortable, then you're constantly like unsure of how you look,
Yeah.
unsure of. That is why I am the way I am because I feel like this is the most understated look that is the most like non-judgmental
Look for you.
look for me where I'm never feeling like somebody is judging me or somebody and I'm very comfortable in this outfit. So
What perfume are you wearing today?
I'm wearing this custom blend by my friend Jay from the Perfumetorium.
Okay.
It's called Citrus Leather. It has like nice notes of burnt leather and smoky smell, and it also has a touch of like floral center.
You
And I
like
like
citrusy
it.
fragrances?
Yeah, citrusy leather kind of a smell. Yeah.
Okay. And what's the most expensive part about your fit?
Shoes, I think they were like from 15 to 20.
The Nocta Air
Yeah,
Force
the
one,
Nocta Air Force
the
One.
Drake ones.
Yeah.
And what are you drinking tonight?
Water, like very good water. I had a very heavy night, so I'm making sure I'm hydrated like there.
Okay, now just pick a number between 1 to 20 and I'll ask you a question.
8.
If someone gave you 1 crore
Yeah.
to dress badly for a year, would you take it?
I mean, back in 2016, I would have had it without even knowing. It was like I dressed terribly, but I'm glad that I've evolved and I'm wearing slightly better clothes in life. But I mean,
If someone gave you money,
I can make a crore a year by just dressing good every day, so why not just do that?
how about 10 crore?
10 crores, money doesn't excite me that much. पैसा मिलेगा तो भी मैं ऐसे काम करूँगा, so like, it's okay. For a year, I mean, yeah, I would take a year where I just work on things
Yeah.
and not be seen to people and wear ugly clothes and move around and have that money investing back into my work. So like, yeah, I would probably do it. Yeah.
Oh, you do it.
For 10 CR, I might do it, yeah.
Okay, for 10
And
CR,
yeah,
that's the number.
use that 10 CR money to make like 30 CR.
So the investment work.
Yeah.